In this video, you will learn how to create a standing brush text effect in Photoshop. First, type your text and adjust the size and position. Now go to the layer panel. Right click on the text layer and select create work path. Next, create a new blank layer. Then go to window, click brush and choose any brush style you like. I will pick this one and increase the brush size for a better effect. Make sure your new layer is selected. Now go to the path panel. Right click on the work path and click stroke path. Select brush as the tool. Then click OK. Now go back to the layer panel and hide the original text layer. Take a look, our text is now transformed into a beautiful painted effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.